Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one variation of the marching pattern. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 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 a 1. Let's break it down now. The variation is in the third beat. Earlier, we were playing 3 gap, 4 and, but now we will play 3 and 4 and. We are just adding the and on the high tom with the third beat, and rest of the rhythmic pattern is exactly the same. Let me show it to you one more time. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1. Let's play it together now. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1. Let's play this variation with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo. If you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.